Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and psychologist, and I'm here to give you strategies in order for you to thrive and prosper with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And today's subject is developing a pre-commitment strategy, deciding what you will do in tempting situations before they happen. Yes, predict and prepare not only your food, but we need to predict and prepare with our mindset. You know, starting on a ketogenic lifestyle is a powerful choice for improving your health, boosting your energy, and transforming your body. However, sticking to the keto diet and lifestyle can sometimes be challenging, especially when you're faced with tempting situations that could easily derail your progress. Whether you're already deep into your keto journey or just considering making the switch, developing a pre-commitment strategy plan is crucial as a step to ensure your success. Now, you might ask, what is a pre-commitment strategy? A pre-commitment strategy involves making decisions ahead of time about how you will respond to challenging situations that come up. This proactive approach helps you stay aligned with your goals when your temptations arise. And whether it's a slice of cake at a birthday party, a basket of bread at a restaurant, or the lure of sugary treats at the office, by deciding in advance how you handle these moments, you can reduce the likelihood of making impulsive decisions that could set you back. Now, let's speak about why pre-commitment matters on keto. The ketogenic lifestyle and diet is highly effective, but it requires a strict adherence to a low-carb, moderate protein, high-fat principles. Even a small slip-up can knock your body out of ketosis, which can be frustrating and lacking in motivation. It could be downright discouraging. Pre-commitment strategies help you maintain control over your food choices and keep you on track, even when your environment or emotions might push you toward less healthy options. Now let's speak about how to create a pre-commitment strategy. Number one, it's important to identify your triggers. The first step in developing a pre-commitment strategy is to identify situations where you're most likely to face temptation. These might include social gatherings, dining out, or moments of stress and boredom. Understanding your triggers allows you to prepare mentally and physically for these challenges. Number two, it's important to set clear boundaries. Once you identify and have identified your triggers, set clear boundaries for yourself. Decide in advance what foods you will and won't eat in specific situations. For example, if you're going to a party, commit to avoiding high-carb snacks and sticking to keto-friendly options like cheese, olives, or nuts. By setting these boundaries ahead of time, you eliminate the need to make decisions on the spot. Number three, plan for success. Planning is key to a successful pre-commitment strategy. If you know you'll be in a situation where keto options are limited, bring your own snacks or eat a satisfying keto meal before you go. Having a plan in place ensures you won't be caught off guard and resort to unhealthy options and choices. Number four, visualize your responses. Visualization is a powerful tool that can reinforce your pre-commitment strategy. Take a few moments to imagine yourself in a tempting situation and visualize how you will respond. See yourself confidently declining a sugary dessert or choosing a keto-friendly meal at a restaurant. This mental rehearsal prepares your mind for the real-life scenarios. Number 5, be sure to build a support system. Surround yourself with people who support your keto journey. Share your pre-commitment strategy with a friend or family member who can hold you accountable. Having someone in your corner can provide the encouragement you need to stick to your plan. And number 6, allow for flexibility. While it's important to be firm in your pre-commitments, it's also essential to be flexible and forgiving with yourself. Life certainly is unpredictable, and there may be times when you deviate from your plan. It happens. If this does occur, don't dwell on it. Acknowledge the slip-up, learn from it, and refocus on your goals. So in conclusion, the ketogenic lifestyle offers incredible benefits to us, but it also requires discipline and commitment. By developing a pre-commitment strategy, you can navigate tempting situations with confidence and stay on track with your goals. Remember, the key to long-term success on keto is not about what you eat, but about how you prepare yourself to make the right choices, even in challenging moments that can come up. With a solid pre-commitment plan in place, you'll be well equipped to handle any temptation that comes your way. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. Please provide me with any questions or comments you have below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for doing that. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.